On this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create and customize your giveaway on Winzy. So to get started, I'll just enter my email address and click on continue. When I sign into the dashboard, I'll be presented with this UI. Okay, for now, I don't have any giveaway and I've not won any giveaway. So I'll just go ahead and create a giveaway. Giveaway can be created by clicking on create giveaway or by clicking on this new giveaway. So if I click on new giveaway, I'll be presented with two options. Either I create giveaway or I create a top-up coupon. So let me just go ahead and create giveaway. And for this giveaway, I'm just going to fill in the title and the other required fields. And description, you could select any type of reward you want. You could select token, or let's say you want to reward order. In this type of giveaway, you're going to specify what you want to reward on the description or maybe on the title. So for this giveaway, I'm just going to select cash, or I'll select cash and data. And data, I will reward 50,000 to 10 people. I will just leave the start date and end date the way it is, and I'll go ahead and click on submit. When I create the giveaway, I'll be presented with this UI. So here I can actually customize how I want the giveaway to be. Okay, so let me just go ahead and add the banner. Right, I can change the title or the description, even the beneficiary. So I could also switch to variable winning. For now it is at fixed, which means everybody receives 50,000. But I could as well change it to variable. Let's say I want the first person to take 50,000. I want the second person to take let's say 40,000. I want maybe from 5th to 10th to take 20,000. Okay, so I could decide to configure the giveaway like this, right? Let me just go ahead and use fixed winning. That is 50,000 to 10 users. Okay, so I'll just leave it the way it is. I could change the date as well. I could also limit the access, that is who can join the giveaway. For now it is available to everybody. I could make it private, that is only those with the link can join it. I could also protect it with a password. So I'll just leave it the way it is, that is at public. I could also add social follow restrictions before you can join the giveaway. For instance, I might want you to follow Winzy on Twitter before you can join this giveaway. So you have to follow Winzy, right? You could also add multiple handles here. Okay, let me just add more. Let me add probably Winzy also on Instagram, and lastly Winzy on YouTube. So you must subscribe to Winzy before you can participate in this giveaway. That's enough. Let's just use that for now. Okay, you could also add questions or survey. I'll come back to the questions section later. So this is where you can configure what I want the public to view the results. For the minimum age, you could also set the minimum age. That is the minimum age requirement for anyone that wants to participate in this giveaway. You could also set the countries you want them to participate in this giveaway, right? We want to limit the country. That option is available, and you could also limit how many times you want a user to participate in this giveaway. By default it is 1, but you can set it to be probably 2 or 3 or any number you want. You could also set maximum submission. Let's say you are just looking for 50 applications, or 500 or 1000. You could also specify it here. Once you receive 50 applications, if 50 is what you set, the giveaway is going to stop receiving entries. So I'll just set it to 50 for this giveaway. And I could also limit previous winners. By limiting previous winners, it means that those that won from your giveaway before are not eligible to participate. I could just make it one. If I make it one like this, that means anyone that have won at least once will not be able to participate. I could make it two. That means if you've benefited twice from me, you won't be allowed to participate in this giveaway. And you can set this number to anything you want, right? Okay, so I'll just leave it at default, which means that anybody can participate. All right, back to the question section. So you could also add trivia questions or survey to your giveaway. You could add either of them in a particular giveaway, so you can add both of them. So you can add questions or survey, and let me just go ahead and add maybe a few questions. Now there is no question added. I'll just add one or two. I could add just a single question. I could add multiple choice question. So let me just go ahead and add a few multiple questions. What is the capital of France? I could add an image, right? If you don't want to type the question, you could also attach the image. Okay, I will make it 4 options, and the answer to this question is option A, so I'll select that. And you could also add a weight to the question. Let's say you want this question to have more than 1 point weight, so you could probably make it to have 10 point weight, which means that while calculating the answers, this question is going to have 10 point weight, right? If you make it 20, that means that this question is going to have 20 point weights, just like the value of the question. By default, it is at 1. Okay, I'll just leave it at 1, right? And I'm going to submit that. I can edit. I could also delete the question if I want to. And okay, let me just go ahead and set minimum. Let's say anyone that gets up to 80 is good to go. Right, I could also change that to anything I want later. You could also enable shuffling the question so that anytime the participants wants to participate, the questions are going to be randomized. You can also set the time limit for the question. Let's say you want the question to be 5 minutes or 10 minutes or anything. I'll just go ahead and make it 45 minutes. And let me add more questions. You could also add single question, and here is where it gets interesting, right? So for this type of question, you can have variable type of answer. You could just choose no answer, which means that the participant won't be able to provide any answer. They'll just keep right the question. That means automatically everybody gets the question correctly. You could just make it to be single answer. So you want them to provide an answer, right? And they will have to type in the answer. For this type of question, you are going to provide the correct answer, and we're going to use AI to match if what you provided it is approximately the same with what they are going to provide. And when you go to advanced option, you will see that you can also specify the answer matching correctness. That is, if the similarity between the two answers is 90% or above, the answer is correct. You could as well change it to 80 or change it to 70 or change it to 100, which means you want them to get the answer exactly the way you provided it. All right, so we have single answer, we have options, and for options, you can provide a question with several options which you want the user to select from. They will be presented with options to select from those options. So they will select the ones that are correct. For instance, I could just put, let's say, the user will be presented with these options. So, and anyone that answers girl and hi is going to get the question correctly. So that is how this one is going to appear. They'll have an options that they'll just click to select anyone they feel is going to be the correct answer. We have more. We have match, and for match, you provide correct answer, and participant will provide an answer that matches any of the correct answers you provided to be marked correctly. We have match, we have not, that is not matched. We have range, let's say how old am I? And then anyone that guesses between 30 to 50 is correct. And we also have out of range, we also have files in case you want them to submit a file or to upload any document. We also have a file option here. I'll just go ahead with range. That is, anyone that gets the answer between two numbers is going to be correct. Okay, so for this, I'm just going to enter a question. Anyone that enters a number between 6 to 8 is going to be correct. Okay, let me just add one more question. And this time around, I'm going to choose single answer. So anyone that enters 1912 is going to be correct. And for the correctness, I want to make it to be 98, right? Or maybe 100. They have to get it correctly. Okay, so I'll click on submit to create the question. So for now, I have 4 questions. And I think that is enough for the giveaway. So let me just go ahead and publish this giveaway. And so for rewarding the participants, I could choose manual or automatic. For manual, that means that I'll still have to visit the entries and select those I want to gift at the end of the giveaway. Or automatic. Automatic means that the system is going to automatically reward the participants based on whether you want it to be random, top scorers, lowest scorers, last minute. That is those that joined late, early bird. That's those that joined first. That's first to join. Even though if you choose manual, we also have a bulk rewarding system, which means you just have to select the criteria you want, select how many people you want to bulk reward, and it will just be like a single click of a button to reward everyone. So I'll go ahead and use manual, right? So let me copy this giveaway and share with others to participate in this giveaway. There is currently 3 entries, mean 3 participants. So I'll just go ahead and click on view entries. So here I can see those that have participated in this giveaway. And if you want to reward in bulk, let's say you have almost 1,000, or you don't want to go through each entry one after the other, you can just click on this get started here. And when you click on it, you can see how you can reward people in bulk. Let's say I want to reward top scorers, I want to reward lowest scores, I want to select at random. I just want to reward people at random. First to join and also last to join. You could select anyone you want, and you can select how many people you want to reward. Let's say I want to reward 12 people. I want to reward 5 people randomly. I could also now do it again for the early bird, so you can choose how you want to reward the participants without having to filter through all the entries. So because I have few entries, I'm just going to do that manually. These are I have 3 submissions for now. So for this demo 40, I could choose to reward this person. This person got the highest, that is 100. And here you can also filter. Let's say you want to filter by latest, you want to filter by lowest score, or want to filter by highest score. So for this, I'm going to select this demo 4 and I'm going to reward. For the reward, I could also change the reward and also change the amount that I want to reward. So this whole configuration are here. And if you don't want to reward immediately, you can also select. Select means that you're queuing. Like for instance, if I select that user, the user is here. And once I've selected and I want to reward in bulk, you can see that I can reward all those that I've selected. Let's say I want to select 15 people, then I will now reward all of them at the same time. So selecting is just like queuing, and even when you select a participant, you can also deselect, as remove the person from the selection list. So it's not really the reward itself, it's like queuing. You're queuing the person to be rewarded later. Okay, so let me just select the second person to select this person, and then here I'm going to reward demo 40 and also I'm going to reward James. So even when you reward a participant, you could also gift them again. For instance, for this user, I could also decide to give this user again. let's say you are doing something that is reoccurring, let's say every month or every week, right? So for this, you can now click on gift again, as I want to gift you again, and right, I could say I want to gift you 30,000, and it's just going to be here. I could also choose to gift you a token, which is just like any random number. Let's say it's a code that they could use somewhere. Here we can also see how many wins that this person has gotten from me, and also on this particular giveaway. And you can also view the questions and the answers they provided. Okay, so this is the answer this person provided. If not because I've rewarded this person, I could as well. Okay, let me find someone that I've not rewarded. Okay, so I could view the answer, and I could make changes to the answer. Let's say I want to mark this to be correct, and I want to mark this to be wrong. Okay, so you can change their question, right? And that is how to reward users that participated in your giveaway. This is another user that wants to participate in a giveaway. So I'm going to call this user the giveaway participant. So for James wants to participate in giveaway. So if I click on browse giveaways, I'll be presented with available giveaways I can participate from. So I would just go ahead and click, that is a gaming frenzy prize draw. And when I click on it, this what I'm required to do to participate in this giveaway. You can as well view the creator, maybe just give him a follow. You can as well block the person. So for this giveaway, I have to verify my phone number. My email is already verified. Subscribe to Winzy on YouTube, follow Winzy on Instagram and also on Twitter. And this giveaway has some questions before I can participate in it. So let me just go ahead and verify my phone number. So let me go ahead and subscribe to Winzy on YouTube. Let me go ahead and proceed to the questions. And I'm done with this giveaway. And once I've participated in this giveaway, I don't think it's going to allow me to participate again. Okay, I'm already here as one of those that participated. Let me try to participate again. I'm already flagged that I cannot participate in this giveaway another time. We also track with your IP address to make sure that you cannot participate twice. And when I come under my winnings, I could see that this giveaway is pending. I got 75%, right? So I'll be waiting for the host to choose me. I want to be the lucky one, right?